Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing some winter DIYs using some leftover ornaments, some ornaments I picked up at Dollar General. I kind of want to do some more DIYs in this video, but of course, like, this sickness is just creeping into our house every single week, so I was able to get done what I could get done, but I'm really excited to show you guys what I made. Also, this is week 3 of my giveaway. I was not able to do it on Friday, so here we are. It is Sunday, and I'm going to show you guys the next giveaway. So I actually picked these items out, and I am so excited. They all kind of have a theme. They all kind of go together for Christmas time, and I thought it'd be really fun to do some cute, like, bakery accessories that you might want for Christmas time. So the first item that I picked up is this cute little rolling pin. These are all from Target, so if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these, I found them at Target. So they have this really cute rolling pin is going to be in the giveaway, some fun cookie cutters, and then I found these really cute little spatulas. This one says "Be Merry," and then a gingerbread, and then some Swedish dishcloths. I heard these are really great. I've never actually tried these, but it comes in a 2-pack, which I think are really cute. And then, of course, it could not be finished unless we added some towels. So a little gingerbread one and a striped one. And the only thing that you need to do to enter this giveaway is comment in the comments below what is your favorite Christmas cookie or just cookie in general. But anyways, you guys, let's get into the video. DIY is such an easy one. I grabbed this chalkboard from Dollar Tree, and this ornament is from Hobby Lobby, and it came in a 4-pack, but I have used all of them except this one. But I thought this would be really great for winter time. I don't decorate a ton, but I really think that this works for winter. It's really simple. You could add bows or something like that, but I think just a really nice, like, natural wood color, black and white, is perfect for the winter. Using this sled. This is from Target a couple years ago, and I just grabbed some scrapbook paper from this vintage Christmas pack from Hobby Lobby, and some of this Christmas paper you can use through the winter time. So I know not everybody decorates for winter, but if you have that just urge or that itch to, like, want to have some sort of decor, but it's a little too early for Valentine's, or you don't decorate for Valentine's Day at all, I think winter is a really fun choice. Right after Christmas, unless, you know what, unless you're sick of those trees and you want everything down. But these are just some really fun things you can add to your normal decor. So I'm using a glue stick, of course. I love my good old Elmer's glue sticks, and I'm just gluing that scrapbook piece to the front of this sled. I found this really pretty ornament. This was $1 from Dollar General. Actually, all their ornaments are only $1, so I highly recommend, if you're going to shop for Christmas or even you want ornaments for next year, grab them at Dollar General. They have some really great finds and some really pretty ornaments, and they're only $1. And I'm just going to be gluing this to the top, and this is all I did for this one. It is so simple, but I just love the color of this ribbon, and I love that that greenery matches that scrapbook paper. I'll be using this wooden window. This was from a yard sale, and I picked up 3 or 4 of these, and I'm just using the Waverly chalk paint ink to paint this one. And I found these windows for only 50 cents a piece, which I think is a killer deal when you're using windows, because now I don't have to buy 4 frames and put them together from Dollar Tree. I love yard sales. I really do miss them. That is going to be something this winter that I'm going to be wishing that I was able to do. Let It Snow ornament is also from Dollar General, and of course it says Let It Snow with a snowflake, and I think this is also perfect for winter. And I feel like I'm saying winter way too many times in this winter DIY video, but that is all I did for this. I just glued it to the center, and you have a really cute piece. The thing I did to finish this one off is just dry brushing around the window. I just thought that it was necessary, and I thought the black was just a little too much, and I didn't want it to show and like pop more than the snowflakes. So I decided to give it a little nice dry brush. I grabbed this galvanized mason jar from Dollar General. I actually used this last year and decided to reuse it. I found these ornaments from Dollar General, 3 for $3, and I love these trees. I'm actually going to use some of these for next year as well. And then I'm just gluing the ornament right to the center of this. And then I just grabbed my puffy paint and I decided to go along the edges of this and the top just to give it a little bit of faux snow. This DIY, I'll be using this wall plaque. This was from Hobby Lobby and it was $1.24 when they had their 60% off sale. Whether they do or not now, who really knows, but 60% off $1.24. I'm also using this Chalk Couture Hibernation Mode on Silkscreen Transfer. I love this one. I think this is so stinking cute. It is pretty new for their winter catalog, and I will link it in the description box below. They also have some really cute kits you can purchase with this transfer along with everything you'll need to make your whole little creation. But I'm using the chalk paste in bark. I just thought a brown bear was necessary for this one, and then I'm going to be using this color forest in the chalk paste as well. And I had another one of these ornaments from Dollar General, and I'm going to be actually gluing it sideways and then adding that bow at the end. I did have to fix the bow just a little bit and tie it and then just glued it to the top. And that is all I did for this one. I think this one is, I think it's my favorite. I made this so simple because I actually really liked this sign as is. This is from Dollar Tree pretty recently, and I'm just using some Waverly chalk paint in the color ink, and I'm just filling in that welcome piece right there. And that is all I did for this. You could add whatever you choose, but I think this is great for winter, but I also think it is great for year-round as well. I did not want to mess this one up, so like I said, I left this one pretty simple. Guys, that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was very quick and simple, but I still hope that you got some inspiration in this video. Also, don't forget, if you guys want to enter that giveaway, make sure you comment in the comments below, what is your favorite Christmas cookie? But that is it, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.